Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to show mod icons in chat while you are streaming on the twitch.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website and then tap on this profile icon in the upper right corner. Then tap on channel, which is the first option. Then scroll down and tap on customize channel on the right side. After that, click on this stream manager section, which is the second option. Go to the my chat section and click on the settings button below. So here you can see chat settings. You need to click on the show mod icons button on the right side in order to turn it on. So basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.